Mollie from Combined Will. We are an OEM manufacturing company producing toys, company gifts, and consumer products, both in China and in Indonesia. We have worked with LKIMM for more than 20 years in China. Our technicians has been very familiar with their machines, and we think their machines are very stable, their services are reliable, and the cost is reasonable. That's why when we are planning our Indonesian factories, we immediately think about LKIMM as our partner. We bought our first batch of machines from LKIMM since 2017 for our Indonesia factory. Since then, we got a lot of support from them. They provided us with machine installation, production testing, and also training for local technicians. And also, they come regularly for machine maintenance. I heard that LKIMM is establishing a local team in Indonesia. I believe with local support, the communication and the services will be even better. We really got a very sound relationship with LKIMM and a great partnership. Many thanks to their team and their support.